Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and replace this door speaker finally. So there's 2 screws in it. One you have to pop off a panel. Well, the other one you sometimes they have a rubber down here, which I did get from the junkyard, but it's not in here yet. You just pop it up. Then back here behind this door handle, let's see if I can do it one-handed so you can see what I'm talking about. Get you a small pick or something and try it again. There it goes. And there's the other screw. So you got that one, and then when you go to pull the door panel, there is this side right here. The bottom of it kind of overlaps the metal a little bit, so you actually get a hold of it. There's little push pins, so you gotta grab a hold of it and pull. And then you also gotta remove this little corner piece. Just like that. So I'm gonna set you up and we'll unscrew those 2 screws and get the door panel popped off. Cable for your door handle. How that works is you pick up on this and you slide it back, and then you slide this out of the little holder, and you have your one connector for your window. Just push and pull down. Set that out of the way. Then your speaker's held in with one 7mm screw. There's the speaker. Now, unfortunately, the junkyard did not have the Pioneer, which this car has the option for. This is the Pioneer, this is the regular factory one. As you can see, it's labeled Pioneer there. And then the magnets are quite different. But this one's gonna be a lot better than it crackling and vibrating. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in, plug it in, basically reverse the process. I'm actually going to try it before I put the door panel back on. If it sounds bad again, I'm just going to unplug it until I get another speaker. But I'm going to cut that section out because I can't play music on YouTube. Alright, to put it back on, make sure you hook your wiring harness up and your door handle. Then line up your lock. Then you slide the top down into your window. And it should just kind of hang there. Now you want to make sure you look up the side of the door and make sure your plugs or your pins are lined up. After that, you just go through, tap it in, and you're good to go. Pop your corner piece in. Then throw your 2 screws back in it. And then your little plate that goes behind your door handle. Just pull your door handle out a little bit. It's got tabs, you just line her up and push it in. Just like that. Okay, so now the only thing left to put onto the car is those little rubber mat things. So we're gonna go ahead and clean those and get those started in. The way I'm gonna clean those is get some degreaser. Spray on top of them. Let it soak for a minute. Save that one for last, this is the worst one. Right hand, left hand, and the R is rear. These should have front, left hand, front, right hand. They literally just drop in. So this one is the driver's side. This one, passenger side. So you just line it up and drop it in. Then whenever you go take them out, just use a pick or something, pick it out of there. There ain't no tabs, they just drop right in place. So this one's right hand side. Okay, and then the only one left is the one for a center console here. I had a little Bluetooth adapter plugged in. So go ahead and get all that stuff out of the way. Make sure there's nothing down the bottom of it so it sits flat. This one's just like carpet material. I could probably wipe it off real quick, kind of nasty looking. It's got some dog hair and stuff on it, so let's take a brush and brush it off. That's the worst thing about detailing cars is hair. Good enough. Kind of put some little phrase on it. That's okay. So this one, there's a little cutout right here, which lines up this corner. Just line her up, drop her down, and you probably can't even see that down there. But it's good to go. Gotta get all my stuff out of it now. Make sure you guys watch out for a price reveal video. That should be coming up here soon. I got all my receipts saved. I'll get everything written down and we'll do a little drive and go over everything. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe, stay tuned. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.